my vlog camera, but annoyingly I've lost the SD card somewhere in my tiny apartment. So anyway, has to be on the iPhone, super sorry. But the exciting thing is I really like my outfit tonight. These are the pants that I thrifted when I was back in the US. They are vintage wool lined pants and they remind me of the Toe 10 pants, and I'm obsessed. So I have these on, and then for shoes I have on, you probably can't see, but I've got my Gucci loafers. Then I've got on a long sleeve, perfect fit cotton t-shirt from J. Crew. And then around my shoulders I have on, it's actually also J. Crew quarter zip, but it was my husband's. And then I have on just my watch, Lady Dior, you know, and yeah, just a fun little Sunday night date night. So let's go. Valentine's Day and we are about to go out to dinner, and I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. So the dress is a knit dress from Nicholas the Label. My lipstick is the indelible red lipstick from Dior. I'll have it linked below because I can't remember which shade it is. And then I'm wearing the pearls that my mom gave me. So here's the other half, I guess. For shoes, I'm wearing these boots, which I will have to, again, put in the description because I can't remember where they're from. I've got the Lady Dior bag, but I might have to switch it out because it's like really wet outside, and so I might want to switch it out for something less precious. And yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you later.